Autel and Otofix password reset trick technicians never knew about. Hey everyone, Hussein here, and welcome back to Bobji Motors, where we dig into the real-world tools and tricks technicians rely on every single day. Today we're looking at something simple, but surprisingly stressful when it happens: forgetting the lock screen password on your Autel or Otofix scanner. Yes, that moment when your scanner suddenly becomes a very expensive paperweight. Before we dive in, a quick reminder that everything in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. This content follows fair use guidelines, and all trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer instructions and obey local laws when doing any kind of diagnostic or programming work. Now here's the real question. What's the fastest, safest way to get back into your scanner when you can't remember the password? Stick with me till the end, because I'll not only give you the full steps, but also a couple of important things most users miss. Forgetting the lock screen password on an Autel or Otofix diagnostic tablet happens more often than people admit. These devices are multilingual, powerful, and packed with features, but when you get locked out, none of that matters until you reset that password. Fortunately, the process is straightforward as long as your scanner is authorized and connected to the correct Autel ID. The first step is accessing the reset icon. On most Autel and Otofix models, you'll see a row of buttons at the bottom of the screen. What you want to do is press and hold the first button, then drag it all the way toward the top right corner. This little motion may look unusual, almost like you're performing a magic swipe, but that's exactly how Autel designed the hidden reset shortcut. And here's something funny. The first time I discovered it, I felt like I had unlocked a cheat code from a video game. If you're using a MaxiSys Ultra S2, though, there's no swipe required. A simple tap on the icon does the job. Once you perform the gesture, a pop-up window appears. This is the password reset window, where all the action happens. It will show a field for entering your Autel ID or email. If your device is already logged into the Autel User Center, that email will be auto-filled and locked, meaning you can't change it. That also means you must use the same account to continue, so make sure you remember which email you originally registered your scanner with. Next comes entering your Autel ID. You simply type it into the email box and hit the Get Code button. When you tap it, the system immediately sends a verification code straight to your inbox. This is where patience comes in. Sometimes the email arrives instantly, and sometimes it takes a moment depending on your network. Be sure to check spam and promotions too, because these verification emails love hiding in the wrong folder. Once the email arrives, open it and look for the verification code Autel has sent. Then return to your scanner and enter that exact code into the verification box. This step is crucial because even a small mistake like mixing up a 0 with a letter O can cause the reset to fail. After entering it correctly, select Reset Password. If your Autel ID and code match perfectly, the system instantly clears your lock screen password. No reboot, no complicated procedures, and no factory reset needed. Just a smooth return straight to your home screen. From here, you're free to set up a new password or keep the device unlocked, depending on how secure you want your daily workflow to be. The most important thing to remember is that your scanner must be authorized and tied to the correct Autel account. If not, the reset will not go through. When in doubt, check your user manual or contact Autel support, because they can verify account details and ensure your device is properly linked. So, to answer that question from the intro, the fastest and safest way to get back into your Autel or Otofix scanner is simply using the built-in password reset feature tied to your Autel ID. In my personal experience, it's one of the easier recovery systems out there, and it saves technicians a lot of time and stress. I'd love to hear your experiences too. Have you ever been locked out of your scanner at the worst possible moment? Tell me in the comments. Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact. Autel originally designed this hidden reset gesture to reduce accidental resets during updates, but technicians ended up loving it because it works so reliably. Now let me ask for your support. Help us reach 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments so this video gets hyped across YouTube. Your engagement helps Bobji Motors grow and brings more in-depth diagnostic content to the community. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss our next guide. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.